Hey guys, welcome to Simply Real TV. Today we're going to do some kayak fishing. It's just after 8 in the morning. Got here and it's just buried in fog. You can't even see the reservoir. It's 40 degrees out, but it's not windy, so that's a good thing. I'm going to go ahead and unload this kayak and we'll get out onto the water. We'll have to be careful because if I get wet or fall off the kayak today, it could be a really bad thing. But I don't anticipate that happening, and I'll probably stay close to the shore until the sun burns this fog off. It's supposed to warm up later. So let's get to this. He's off. So what do we have? We got it's about 11 inches. So we got us an 11-inch brown trout. We did get one brown, so that was awesome. Wish I would have gotten some more fish, but I'll take that. While I was out there, I was marking some weeds and some of the deep areas. So when I come back in the winter ice fishing, I'll have a better idea of what to avoid and where to go. Hope you enjoyed today's short episode. We started out cold, turned out beautiful, but windy. So anyway, time to head home, have lunch with the fam, and we'll get back out here again. Got home just in time to unload the kayak from the Jeep, and here's the storm. A little bit of hail there.